I'll be here with my princess while the boys play. Hi, Mommy. She loves going to the baby one. Oh, what'd you see? The toys? The bubbles? The spray? More bubbles? Look at it all. Wow. Buenas tardes. Wow.
¿Cuál te gusta? Tengo, mira, qué bonito, mira, tengo
Oh my goodness.
patinetas, tengo, a ver, cocina, mira.
Si fuera por ella, ella agarraría todo. Un baby.
Una carriola.
Un monkey. Hello, kitty. If it was for her, she'll get everything. Ah, no. The puppies. And more bubbles. And a dinosaur bubble. And cars. And more puppies. Yeah. Are you going to want something? What? Baby? You have a lot of babies. Get something different.
Okay.
She really does. Oh my goodness. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. She wants this one instead with the bunny. The bunny? She's happy. Showing her dad.
Oh my god, freaking bunny! Is that a Barbie?
It's a bunny.
House? Kitchen playset? You're gonna be drinking tea with the bunny, mama? Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so cute. I'm gonna be playing tea. If you have a cup of tea, do you have a sugar cube, love? How about your cream? I would love some cream in my tea. Very nice. Do you have English breakfast?
You sure you don't want to open it at home?
Oh, babe, he's dying over
You
here.
should just open it at
He's
home.
dying, babe. He needs CPR and
Oh my goodness.
CPR.
Okay. We'll hold it, okay? You play, Mommy.
Bro's having
Go
a
play, Mommy.
breakdown, dude.
Okay. While Mama plays, Grandma babysits. I became a grandma now. What the heck? Anything for my princess, though. Anything for my princess.
Mama, play the